Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
Start by working on clean, detangled edges. You want the hair pliable and moisturized so braids sit without tugging. Gently cleanse with a sulfate-free shampoo, then apply a lightweight leave-in and a thin layer of oil to lock moisture in. Use a soft bristle brush to lay hairs flat and wrap a satin scarf for 10 minutes to set the pattern. This reduces friction and breakage as you begin the first braid. Once you start braiding, focus on how you hold and add hair. Grip only 1/2 to 1 inch of natural growth, keeping tension low so roots aren't stressed. When adding extensions, feed them loosely and stagger where they attach to create a cushioning buffer between the extension and your root. Work with smaller sections to distribute weight, and mist edges with a hydrating spray every 2 to 3 rows to maintain slip and prevent dryness that causes. To finish, smooth a small amount of alcohol-free gel at braid bases and avoid slicking too tightly. This holds style without strangling follicles. Make sure you sleep on satin and apply a lightweight edge serum nightly to maintain elasticity. If you notice single-strand breakage, trim the damaged tips and address tension immediately. Troubleshooting tip: if edges feel numb or you have sharp pain, remove the braids in that area promptly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.